Thank God. Thank God for tonight that he shined a little light on me. Yes, my Lord. I've gone from limping and loaded bar to shouting in the sanctuary because God sure been good. Can I tell you tonight, I'm not ashamed of my loaded bar experience. I'm ashamed of the hell I went through. I'm not ashamed, but I can tell somebody that I am a living testimony. Could have been dead and gone, but oh Lord, he let me live on. I am a living testimony, and I thank the Lord I'm still alive. Yeah. I'm shouting tonight. I'm praising tonight because I want to tell somebody, wherever you are, whoever you are, it's time. Come on out of loaded bar. Come on, come on. Come out of that low place. I'm leaving when I tell you, help me close it by leaning over. Just one more time. Just one more time. Find you one more neighbor. Grab them by the hand. Grab a neighbor by the hand. Shake their hand. Hold their hand. Look them in the face. One more time, will you? Look them in the face and say, neighbor. Oh, neighbor. Say, neighbor. I have decided that tonight is my last night in loaded bar. Shake their hand and say, neighbor, I'm holding your hand, and when I come out, you coming out with me. Come on out. Come out. Come out. Wherever you are, come on out. Give the Lord praise. Shout yeah. Shout yeah. Shout yeah. He brought me out. All right. He brought me out. All right. I'm finished, y'all. Brought me out of the darkness into the marvelous light. He brought me out, all right. He made a way for me. He made a way for me. Yeah, yeah. Brought me out of the to the marvelous light. I'm finished, man. He brought me out. Oh, all right. Look at a neighbor and tell him, won't you help him and tell him, he'll bring you out. You don't know who's in loaded bar tonight. I'm finished. All right. I know it's tough on you, but he'll bring